Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought to yourself, I should be further in life than what I am today? Tired of being in the same pit you were in last year? What's the point of your goals if you're not making them a reality? Marquiss was stuck in this same pit as well. He hated his job until he discovered how to make the mental shift through a mastermind group. Since then, he has been able to switch to a career he enjoys, make the diet change to go vegan, travel to 3 different continents, and finally start the business. Marquiss has learned directly from top trainers like Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi, and now he's decided to share how he's made these fantastic changes with you. Discover how to finally start making your goals a reality in just 3 days with Marquiss Taylor, an amazing public speaker, digital marketer, successful entrepreneur, and the creator of Excel to Excellent. Excel to Excellent is a mastermind group to help others make the next breakthrough in life or in business. It's a daily 1-hour online session at 10 p.m. Eastern Time for 4 days total, available for a limited amount of people for a limited time. You'll also receive lifetime access to the exclusive Excel to Excellent Facebook group to stay connected with other group members. Also, each session includes a Q&A portion so that you can receive tailored guidance to fast-track your success. Normally, this offer is priced at $197, but since it's the holidays, the first 50 entrants receive $100 off, making the total only $97. Also, when you purchase today, you can have a bonus one-on-one consultation call with Marquiss. No extra charge. So again, we ask you, what's the point of having goals if you're not making them a reality? Make the change today for you and your family's future. There's no better time than now. Click the button below to finally start making your goals a reality today.